what's up guys, it's your boy Corey back again with another video, and in this one I'm going to be talking about doorbells. Now this can be your modern day Ring doorbell, or it can be your old style doorbell. So the old style doorbell, they normally require between 18 to 20 volts in order for them to work, in order for them to operate. And the new style doorbells that you're going to find, for example the Ring doorbell, they require up to 24 volts. So when installing these, you want to ensure that you have the right transformer in place to provide you with that 24 volts. And in this video in particular, we're just going to be looking at a standard installation for a doorbell. This is not a Ring doorbell, just a standard doorbell, but the installation process is pretty much the same. So what I have here, flip this round. Right, so in order for any doorbell to operate, it's going to require a chime box. This box basically alerts you when someone rings your doorbell, and I'll demonstrate that now. So if I go outside and I ring my doorbell, like so, you can hear. Yeah. And in the chime box, what you find, you're gonna find some data cable. You know, these cables are used because this is a low voltage device, so it doesn't require much voltage. And what you have here, the cable that has the brown sleeving is providing us with power, and the other pair, this one, is then going out to the actual doorbell itself, bringing the power source from here to outside, right? So that's your doorbell. Pretty straightforward to install.